Have you ever heard someone say, "This one was so easy to raise? No drama, no rebellion, no trouble." It sounds like a compliment, but psychology shows that being the easy child is often about adaptation, not just personality. Here's what that really means. 1. They learn to adapt quickly. Easy children are highly sensitive to their environment. If they sense stress, tension, or emotional distance, they adjust their behavior to avoid adding pressure. They become cooperative and low demand because it keeps things stable. Over time, this habit of adapting can become automatic, even when it's no longer necessary. They may grow up constantly scanning situations to figure out how they should behave. 2. They internalize their emotions. Instead of expressing anger, sadness, or frustration openly, they often keep it inside. They tell themselves it's not a big deal, or that others have bigger problems. This looks like maturity, but it can actually be emotional self-suppression. As adults, they may struggle to explain what they feel because they're used to hiding it. Sometimes they don't even realize how much they've been holding in. 3. They become hyper-independent. Easy children stop asking for help early in life. They solve problems alone and avoid being a burden. While independence is healthy, extreme self-reliance can later make it hard for them to trust others with their struggles. They may feel uncomfortable depending on anyone, even in close relationships. Asking for support can feel unnatural or even weak to them. 4. They tie love to being low maintenance. Children repeat behaviors that bring approval. If being quiet and helpful leads to praise or peace, they learn that being good keeps them loved. As adults, this can turn into people-pleasing and fear of disappointing others. They may prioritize harmony over their own needs. Conflict can feel threatening because it risks losing acceptance. 5. They hide their needs. Easy children often don't demand attention, even when they need it. Over time, they may struggle to even recognize their own emotional needs because they've spent years minimizing them. This can lead to feeling unseen, even in relationships where they are valued. They become so good at being fine that no one thinks to check deeper. Being the easy child can build strengths like empathy, responsibility, and emotional control. But healthy development isn't about raising a child who causes no problems. It's about raising a child who feels safe enough to express them. If you want more psychology explained in simple, honest language, subscribe to this channel. Because once you understand these patterns, you start understanding people on a completely different level.